die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 affordable fragrances every man should have in their collection. But starting things off is my fragrance of the day, and that is Zadig & Voltaire's Just Rock. This smells pretty similar to Zadig & Voltaire's This Is Him, except it's more earthy with a more pronounced patchouli note. It's earthy, patchouli forwards, and it's still smoky and amber rich as well. It's an incredibly sexy, long-lasting scent, and I highly recommend this one. Yeah, and the packaging is just phenomenal. I really love the way this one looks. Definitely check this one out. Starting things off with probably the most basic one on the list, and it gets spoken about quite often for good reason as well, and that is CK1 Shock. This is an oriental scent, it's very tobacco forwards, and it's affordable as well. You can pick up 200 ml of this for $35 Australian. At that price, any man can afford to pick this one up. It's great for compliments. It's relatively long lasting for a Calvin Klein scent. It generally gets about 6 hours of wear, which, if you know Calvin Klein fragrances, is beast mode. But yeah, the presentation is really nice as well. And you just get a lot for your money. Yeah, this is one delicious smelling fragrance, and since I finished uni, no one is really wearing this anymore, so you're not going to smell it too much out in the wild. It smells great, definitely pick this one up. Next up is a bit of a wild card, I've got to say, and that is Silver Scent Intense by Jacques Bogart. This is also around the $35 mark. I have seen this go on sale at Priceline for $30, and I've seen it go on sale at Chemist Warehouse for a similar price. You may be able to find it cheaper online, but I feel like if you're paying 30 to 35 bucks, you know, it's pretty affordable. Just get it for that price. So yeah, this scent is really interesting in that it just takes the Silver Scent DNA, adds a bit more of a floral feel to it with a rose note, and it also adds a little bit of oud as well. But don't go thinking this is going to be a stinky, off-putting scent. It's quite nice, it's very revitalizing, and it's incredibly long-lasting as well. I'm going to waste a spray here. This is just Silver Scent, but just ramped up to 11. Highly recommend this one, especially for the performance. I mean, price to performance ratio with this one is off the charts. It's incredible. I've seen a couple of people comment on my YouTube channel saying that, like, West Sydney is like a, you know, breeding grounds for Silver Scent wearers and all of that. I don't know, I've never been to West Sydney, so I can't comment on that, but I don't know. Do people wear Silver Scent where you are? Let me know in the comments below. And finally, we have a Dior Sauvage knockoff that is well worth picking up when you're only paying like $40 for it. And that is Davidoff Cool Water Parfum. It's a relatively linear, simple scent. You're paying about $40 Australian for it. Why I would recommend this over Tobacco Craftsman, which you can get on sale for $15, is simply the fact that this is just a better crafted scent. It's a little more gentle, and I feel like if you're over the age of 20, 25, a more gentle scent, a softer scent is going to do you more favors than something just really obnoxious and in your face. Yeah, this is a very nice scent. It's got this really realistic dry vetiver note as it dries down a little bit, and that helps set it apart from a lot of other scents. Cool Water Parfum also has this sort of realistic mandarin note in the opening that is very light and refreshing, and it just comes across so different to your typical limes, lemons, or bergamots. And it says on the packaging, Davidoff has revisited the cool water freshness with one of the finest ethically sourced ingredients, vetiver. This tropical plant was harvested by a community on the island of Haiti as part of a sustainable sourcing partnership monitored by the perfume creator. Now, sustainability is a big focus of mine, and the more sustainable fragrances we get out there on the market, the more people that buy them, you know, you sort of normalize those practices, and that's what I'm all about here on this channel. So yeah, definitely check out Cool Water Parfum, sustainably sourced. Check it out, man. Each of these 3 fragrances that I've showcased on the channel today are worth owning, and also Zadig & Voltaire's Just Rock is an incredible scent for the money. Just pick that one up. Anyways, if you've ever worn any of these before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.